Hi everyone, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create your own YouTube channel from scratch. Whether you want it for vlogging or sharing your hobbies or building community. This video is going to walk you through the step-by-step process of creating your own YouTube channel. So without wasting my time, let's start. So before you create your YouTube channel, you need a Gmail account. And it's only Gmail account that you can use in creating your YouTube account. Without Gmail account, it is going to be very difficult. It's even impossible for you to create a YouTube account. So make sure you have your Gmail account. And when you have a Gmail account, you come to this side, the logo over here, you click on it, and you come to sign in. So if you are not signing, definitely you are going to be asked to sign in. For me, I'm already signing. So after you sign in, you come to settings here and you click on settings. And after you click on settings, you have this page. As you can see, I don't have any YouTube channel on this account. So what you do is you come to this create channel here and then you click on it. So here you'll be given this window to create your YouTube account. And here you have to give the name for your YouTube account. And this is going to be your handle. So this one, you can change it to anything that you feel like. After you are done with that, you click on create channel. And voila, your channel has been created. So now that you have created your channel, you need to customize your channel. And to customize your channel, you can use this button here, customize, or you can come to where your logo is and then you click on it and go to YouTube Studio. So let's click on it. Now you can see this is your YouTube Studio, and because the channel is a new channel, you don't have anything here. So this is what you do. You come to the left side here, then you scroll down to customization here. You click on it and you will be sent to this area. So you go to branding here, and then this is the logo of your channel, and this is the banner, and then this is the watermark that will appear on your videos whenever someone is watching. So this is what you do. You make sure you upload a picture which is 98 by 98 pixels. You click on it and you select a picture. So let me select this picture and you click on done, and you scroll down to the banner side. You click on upload, and let me use this picture too, and you click on done, and as you can see, it's looking good for now. And you go to the watermark area, then you click on upload and go to, let me use this one right here, and here you can set it whether you want it to display at the end of the video or start of the video or entire video. So I'll select the entire video and then I'll come here and click on publish. Now your channel is done. So let's check and see if it's working here. So now you can see our banner is here, our logo is here, and everything is intact over here. So let's go back to the studio and let's go to basic info. So this is the name of your channel, and you can change it twice in every 14 days. The same thing applies to the handle here. You can also change that one twice within every 14 days if you so like. And here you have to put in a description of the channel here. Let me put in something here. Make sure it reflects what the channel is all about. You put it here and you come down here. You can see this is the, so when you come down here, you will see the URL of your channel, and you can copy it here and send it to anyone that you feel like sending it to. And here you can add your links, your social media handles, or any other thing that you feel like adding here. You can add them here, and also you can add your email account here. And this is very important because this email account is the one that will allow people to contact you. It will allow sponsors or advertisers to contact you through this email account that you provide here. So make sure you are providing a working email account over here. So after you are done with all those kind of things, you click on publish, and now your channel is ready to go. So if you want to upload a video, you come to this right side here and click on create and go for upload video. So there you have it. This is the step-by-step process of creating your YouTube channel. So after finishing these processes, Maybe you may be thinking of whether to show your face or not to show your face in your videos. If that's your problem, then this video here will guide you through the step-by-step way of making the right choice, whether to show your face or not to show your face in your videos. Watch this video and thank me later. Thanks for watching.